We have two of these, and they both have broken. There is, behind this, there is a little screw and a little plastic housing. And, you know, this hasn't been mistreated, but both of ours have broken. This looks all crusty just because it's super glue, because I had to reattach it and there was no way to reattach this thing. But it's a great coffee carafe. It's just this part is very fragile and breaks easily.
All right, we are trying out our new coffee maker machine. It looks pretty cool. I'm excited. We're testing it on right now. Oh, you can see me there.